The TFSA is a great way to build wealth in Canada. However, if you make mistakes, the CRA will punish you severely. The tax-free savings account is perhaps the most traveled road to wealth in Canada today. You can make money without worrying about taxes. All interest, dividends, capital gains you earn inside your TFSA are tax-free. And unlike an RRSP, you can keep contributing to it far past the age of 71. Unfortunately, some users do not handle their TFSA in the proper way and come under the wrath of Revenue Canada. Here's some mistakes that you want to avoid at all costs. Number one is overcontribution, the most common mistake made by most. Whether by accident or on purpose, the CRA doesn't really care. They'll issue a letter to you letting you know that you've exceeded your limit. You need to withdraw the excess immediately or else you'll pay a 1% penalty tax per month on the extra amount. Mistake number two, transferring funds between multiple TFSAs. They allow you to open TFSAs in different institutions. This doesn't increase your limit. And if you contribute to more than one TFSA and go over your limit, you will be penalized and pay a tax penalty. Mistake number three, holding foreign assets. Resist holding foreign assets like U.S. stocks in your TFSA. All foreign dividends are subject to a 15% withholding tax. The IRS exempt taxes only on investments placed in a retirement plan, like the RRSP. Stick to Canadian stocks so you won't pay taxes on dividends at all and keep returns intact. Mistake number four, carrying on a business. High frequency or aggressive day trading may trigger alarm bells. The CRA prohibits users from carrying on a business in their TFSAs. Don't attempt this practice because the tax agency will treat all of the earnings as taxable business income. Mistake number five, not utilizing the TFSA for what it's meant. It's meant to earn tax-free income or dividends. Don't stick the money in a savings account in your TFSA or leave it sitting in cash, as this won't accumulate and grow your balance. You're best to buy good income producing Canadian dividend stocks or ETFs that comprise companies like Canadian banks or other high dividend Canadian companies. This is the best way to grow your TFSA. And for somebody over 65, your TFSA is a great way to get income and not lower your GIS entitlements. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you navigate your TFSA more easily. Please subscribe and like my video, and check out the other videos that I have on subjects like TFSAs and RRSPs.